Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Piranulin Tablet. We coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Ltd. Piranulin Tablet. Uses. Piranulin Tablet is used as a cognitive enhancer. It helps improve brain-related functions such as memory, alertness, and concentration. Benefits. Piranulin Tablet helps improve memory, increases mental alertness, and enhances concentration. It also boosts energy levels and wakefulness. The medicine improves nerve conduction in the brain, which is responsible for better brain function. It also helps improve thoughts, behavior, and overall quality of life. Side effects. Like all medicines, Piranulin Tablet may cause some side effects in certain individuals. Common side effects include weight gain, abnormality of voluntary movements, and nervousness. If any of these side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take Piranulin Tablet in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet as a whole. Do not chew, crush, or break it. It may be taken with or without food. How it works. Piranulin Tablet is a combination of two medicines, alpha-glycerylphosphorylcholine and piracetam. Alpha-glycerylphosphorylcholine is a natural choline compound that delivers essential choline to the brain. This choline is converted into acetylcholine, a chemical messenger strongly associated with memory and cognition. Piracetam is a nootropic medicine that increases the activity of acetylcholine and improves communication between nerve cells.